Welcome to Desert Sands RV Park in Monahans, Texas. Awarded the Permian Basin's Best RV Park for 2021 by Official Best of America. Desert Sands RV Park is a favorite for long-term RVers, along with those just traveling through. They've got one of the best RV laundromats, if not the best, in all of Texas. A covered pool, kids' playground, and lots of West Texas sky, sand, and some of the best sunsets anywhere. That's all included with your stay. Desert Sands RV Park is the place to be in an RV when you find yourself in West Texas. And don't forget, West Texas invented social distancing a long time ago. Come and enjoy an oasis in the desert. Desert Sands RV Park in Monahans, Texas.